Welcome back to the cryptoworld channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and right now, while Ethereum is still playing out this short-term bullish divergence, we are seeing the price of Bitcoin finally begin to break above key resistance in the short term, which I'll talk more about in just a moment, so definitely stick around. First of all, just giving you a quick update on the 4-hour Bitcoin to US dollar chart. Right now, the 4-hour Bitcoin RSI is actually looking quite a lot more bullish, which I did obviously talk about in my last video on this channel as well. And while this is happening, we're also beginning to see a little bit more bullish momentum show up in this 4-hour Bitcoin MACD. But relatively speaking, compared to some of these previous surges of bullish momentum, we're still seeing quite low momentum as of right now, but it's technically more bullish than bearish in the imminent short term. And so simply due to these 4-hour Bitcoin price oscillators looking slightly more bullish than bearish, these are signaling for the price of Bitcoin to potentially play out a bit more of a bullish relief here in the shorter term, perhaps up to this zone of resistance, which goes up towards around 16.8 to 16.9k, which is towards the top of this resistance. And as for some short-term support, we have found support along this previous low if you're looking at the 4-hour candle closes, which is sitting at approximately 16.4 to 16.5k, more specifically around 16,450. But below that short-term level of support, and we have some more significant support starting at around 16,250, going down towards around 16.1k. And now, technically speaking, if you're looking at the price action itself, we haven't necessarily broken out of this short-term bearish trend because we haven't really confirmed any significant higher lows or higher highs as of right now on this time frame. And so once again, technically speaking, that means that the Bitcoin price here on the 4-hour time frame is yet to reverse from this short-term bearish trend. We have not confirmed a trend reversal, but we are beginning to see some more bullish signals in these price oscillators telling us that we could potentially soon be about to see a bit more of a bullish relief. And this also comes at a time when, of course, we're seeing an inverse head and shoulders pattern here on the 1-hour Bitcoin chart, which, as of recording this video, is initially experiencing a breakout above this neckline, which is, of course, the important level to break for an inverse head and shoulders pattern. And in case you're wondering, this neckline is sitting at around 16,580. But it is important to mention that at the time of recording this video, the Bitcoin price has not actually confirmed this breakout to the upside because we still need to see at least a candle close here on the 1-hour chart, ideally some more candle closes here, or even a candle close on the 2-hour or 4-hour chart above around 16.6k approximately. That would help further confirm this potential breakout to the upside that we are currently seeing as of right now, at least as of recording this video once again. And as for the technical price targets for this pattern, looking at the more conservative price targets based on these candle closes right here, that would be sitting at around 16.8k. But if we're looking at the full technical price target from the bottom of that candle wick, from the lowest point in the inverse head and shoulders pattern, then that gives us a technical price target sitting closer towards 16.9k. So basically, if we see some more confirmation in this breakout to the upside just here, then that would further confirm these technical price targets. So basically, I'll be targeting towards 16.8 to 16.9k, which, as you can remember, that was this area of resistance right here. And once again, this is also backed up with what we're seeing right now in the 4-hour Bitcoin price oscillators, which once again are showing a little bit more bullish momentum starting to build, at least in the shorter term. But anyway, getting into the Ethereum part of this video, this right here is the 4-hour ETH to US dollar chart, and right now, as of recording this video, the price of ETH is still in this choppy sideways price range in between this support, which is sitting at around 1180 approximately, and this resistance, which is sitting at around 1220 to 1230. And now, if the price eventually breaks above 1230, then the next resistance level to the upside begins at around 1280. And as for support, if we confirm a break below around 1180, then I would expect the next short-term supports level come into play at around 1150 to 1160. And if you're looking at the 4-hour Ethereum price oscillators, first of all, we're currently seeing a small amount of bullish momentum here in the 4-hour Ethereum MACD, but overall, we're still seeing very low momentum as of right now. Even though it's technically slightly more bullish than bearish, it is very low momentum, which is pointing towards perhaps some more choppy sideways price action here in the shorter term. But if you're looking at the 4-hour Ethereum RSI, on the other hand, this is actually now forming an uptrend, which is technically more of a bullish signal. And in fact, this is of course happening just after we confirmed a bullish divergence 1 to 2 days ago, which I've also been talking about on this channel over the last few days. And obviously, this means that we're due to see reduced bearish momentum, which is exactly what we have been seeing in the shorter term. But like I said yesterday, technically speaking, this previous rising wedge pattern has not been invalidated because we have not broken back above around 1220. And even though the price has gotten very close to the full technical price target, we have not yet actually hit that technical price target, which is sitting at around 1160 to 1170. And so due to that reason, once again, this rising wedge pattern is technically still in play with this active bearish price target, but it's just in the more shorter term, as in over the next day or so, I'm still expecting more of a bullish relief or some sideways price action here, basically reduced bearish price action due to this bullish divergence playing out here in the shorter term. And now, if you want to know how to maximize your profits in crypto, no matter if the price is going to the upside, to the downside, or simply chopping around sideways like right now, then make sure to check out these videos popping up right here on your screen. The video in the top left is a complete tutorial video showing you how to trade crypto from start to finish, and the video in the bottom left shows you how to make money in crypto if the price is chopping around sideways. But anyway, that's everything that I have to say for today. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.